Donny got a voucher for Veterans Day and he decided he wanted to use it here at Texas Roadhouse tonight. In our opinion, Texas Roadhouse stands up to a lot of the higher priced steakhouses. They do have an indoor seating area if you're waiting to be seated. They did have some Christmas decorations out. Donny checking out the steaks. Those were boxes of bears, Santa Claus, and a snowman, and little elves. They do have their moose on the wall, and a buffalo, bison, deer. They had fish on the wall, and the jackalope rabbit. You can get the hot bloomin' onions. Your general southern restaurant with all the decor, which makes for a nice atmosphere, in my opinion. And this had me laughing the moment I see it. There's Elvis and Granny Clampett. This is Tennessee right here. They're not afraid to have a picture like this up on the wall in the stores or restaurants. Welcome to the Smokies, Texas Roadhouse. Okay.
This is the appetizer. It's also a side too, if you want. And I didn't know it was a side, or I probably would have done that. But I just got an appetizer of a cup of chili.
And it's got purple onions in it.
Yeah, very flavorful, very strong, and but it's not hot enough for me. I'm gonna see if I can get them to warm it up. But oh boy, it's spicy. Thumbs up good.
Donny already was digging into the bread.
Oh.
I think it's like cinnamon butter.
Yep.
It's good. So they had a bucket of peanuts and they said, yeah, they're free, we can have them. I love these peanuts, I always loved them.
Yep.
Remember they used to have a bucket of peanuts all the time? Donny said somebody choked and then they had to quit having a bucket of peanuts, so now they do it this way.
Actually, I was thinking I was going to open it and then eat it, but look at this. Looks kind of crusty and dusty. I think I might just eat the shell and everything. Remember the good old days of eating the shell and just having all the salt?
See if that's hot enough for you.
Oh boy.
We do not have a microwave, that's right. We don't. And I'll go ahead and take this and get that taken care of.
Okay, we'll keep track of
Go
that.
ahead and try it, see if it's...
Yep. Now look at the steam coming off it. This one's going to be hot. That's the way I wanted it. Thank you so much for doing that.
I've always eaten it with the shell.
It's very salty.
Very salty. A lot of fiber. So let us know. Do you eat the peanuts in the shells or never? Donnie got a Caesar salad for his side. And this was his appetizer. And then the Caesar salad for his side.
Pretty nice. Look at that for steak. Beautiful 2 forks.
This is his Veterans Day meal too, by the way.
Yes, this is my Veterans Day crouton. Lots of dressing. It's mild, not as strong as some of them that we've had. Very creamy. Good for me.
Okay, Donnie has a baked potato with
Loaded, they call it.
Loaded baked
Sour
potato.
cream and bacon and
bacon
cheese.
bits.
And is that nice?
Looks like real bacon bits, not like.
Piping hot and good. Now, also we ordered vegetables, which of course Joy doesn't eat the carrots, but
I'm not a big fan of carrots unless they're raw.
But they have something called lemon butter that they serve with their salmon. That helps every carrot be a better carrot. That's really good. I may have to put that on my potato.
Enjoy some more of your potato.
Oh yeah, sure. It's bright, it's white, it's fluffy, it's hot, and sour cream. Ooh, that is piping hot. And my carrot. You got to know.
So I got a 6-ounce sirloin. Well done. This is the butter. It looks like
cinnamon butter.
Cinnamon butter. It looks like some
Potato.
regular butter, and this is like
Melted
a lemon
garlic butter.
garlic butter. And I got there's a grilled shrimp with it, and this was only like a couple more dollars than this. A few more dollars than this.
It's called the
just-
combo.
Yeah, I got the combo. This alone would have been 15,
Yep.
and this was about 22 with this and
And
the.
it looks like we
two
got some
sides.
garlic bread to share under there that we could dip in our garlic butter.
I do have garlic under my grilled shrimp. Don't those look good?
Wow.
And a sweet potato.
Look at that. All right, so she is cutting into her medium well steak, which has taken her a little while to get to, so it's probably not piping hot. But she's cutting right through it. That looks like a nice cut. And this is a sirloin. I'm not expecting perfection here, but she got some garlic butter. Look at that, dipping it in the garlic butter. What an idea. Oh. Broccoli.
Maybe just a little bit of butter on broccoli, huh?
I guess. Yeah, probably be all right, that butter.
It's a little cooked more than I like it, personally. But
Oh, yep, try the shrimp. How was the steak, by the way?
steak is good.
Steak is good. And she's pulling him off the skewer there. He didn't want to come off. Is that juicy looking, shiny good? Mmm.
It's good in the garlic butter, definitely.
Yeah, right? Sweet tater. She brought her both butters because you never know what you need with a sweet potato, regular or cinnamon butter. Both are very good.
Nice and hot still.
Still hot. All right.
Very good. Try a little bit of this bread.
Oh, I'm looking forward to my piece. That's going to be great.
He thinks it's his piece. It's on my plate, but he thinks it's his piece.
Uh-huh. Well, I just know that you don't want all that bread. There's too many carbs.
I'm not. Definitely. That's pretty good.
All right.
Okay, Donnie's
Just cut my...
sirloin with
Yep. Sirloin.
covered, smothered with onion.
Mushroom and onion.
Mushroom.
They do such a wonderful job of seasoning here. This is a good sirloin. I can't make it like that. Perfect.
All right, Donnie's going to try a piece of my grilled shrimp.
That looks wonderful. Perfectly seasoned. A little parsley on top.
Try it with a little butter, too, of my butter. My garlic butter.
Actually, this is a lemon butter.
Oh, lemon.
It'd be just as good. Perfectly cooked. Very fresh. That is great. They know what they're doing. Enjoy.
Donnie's going to try some of my garlic bread.
Oh, no, that's just regular toasted. I don't taste any butter.
Okay, so toasted.
No, it's just a toasted bread dipped in garlic butter. Oh my. The lemon is on the bottom. And it just nailed me, so I'm going to go for her butter. Oh, that's better. You don't want lemon bread. Lemon cake's okay. But lemon dinner roll, that did not work out. Much better.
All right, Donnie's going to try some of my sweet potato along with the cinnamon butter.
I don't want to discourage people from buying a better quality steak, but this sirloin is as tender as a high quality steak. It's really good. They have a great source for their sirloin steaks. It's really good. I'm having a hard time getting a spoonful here. Stringy fiber, good for me fiber. No sugar, just a little cinnamon. Maybe it is a little sweet, but it doesn't have that gritty sugar flavor in it. Wonderful. However they cooked it in this skin, the flavor, the sweet potato flavor and everything is outstanding.
I'm taking my steak home and to go. I didn't eat that much, but Donnie's going to get to finish, dip the bread in the garlic butter.
What a way to end the night. I'm rubbing around in her steak sauce. Oh, we have enjoyed everything at Texas Roadhouse.
Very good. Very good. Including the peanuts.
Bag of
They now
peanuts.
come in a bag.
Yep.
And he said, a good waitress. Yeah,
Our waitress.
everyone was very very well.
Very
there.
attentive.
Very attentive. Very attentive. Definitely. Haven't
They have
been here in
stepped
a
it up
while.
around here.
Come back. Okay. Make sure you look at Randy to serve. She did an excellent job.
Yep.
If you wouldn't mind going over to my playlist and playing some of my older videos and help me earn that ad revenue, it's much appreciated. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. You are the ones that help us grow. Please like, subscribe, comment if you can, and share us out. We appreciate you so much.